You're very welcome outside. We've Kieran Crean here from mixgarage.ie, wonderful little website. And Kieran, you're in this morning because as it comes into summer, of course, people want to transport bikes, they want to transport boats, canoes, all sorts of things, and people are going on driving holidays, and you've got some great equipment that might be of use to people who are planning a car holiday or a long car journey before their holiday.
Exactly, that's correct, Aidan. Basically now with the holidays among us, the family are bringing the kids to France, etc., camping, and they want to bring all the equipment that they require, surfboard, bike holders, and extra luggage, and this is what this equipment is for.
Oh, let's have a look. The first piece of equipment you brought with you. How easy is this to assemble and attach? That's the key for a lot of people.
It's very, very easy. Especially the roof bars form the basis of all the equipment. So whether you want to carry any equipment, you have to start with the roof bars. Right. They're designed to be put on by the general public. So they're very, very simple, very step-by-step instructions.
And are they clip-on or?
They are clip-on. Basically, they don't do any damage to the car whatsoever. They're designed to take off and not a scratch. Plastic moldings on the top, and then basically just clip on under the door or on the bracket itself.
And how secure then are they?
They're very, very secure. They're locked down. You couldn't move them.
Okay, lovely. And this idea now, I like this, the box.
Yeah, there's a roof box. So again, if you've any general luggage, golf clubs, rucksacks, that type of thing, or buggies or kids' prams, you basically put the box on. There's a mid-range box. It's 430 litres, and it's very, very simple to attach. You literally just put the U-bolt on, slide underneath, and you can do without even looking. Just turn the wheel inside, and bang, it's clamped onto it.
Wow, okay, that's pretty straightforward. Even I do that, I think. Mid-range, how much?
It's 430 litres, and it's €402. Okay. Again, we have boxes for all sizes and budgets starting from €159.
And yeah, something for everyone, as they say.
Exactly.
Okay, and the benefit of this then, as against sort of trying to fill your boot and squeeze things in and stand on the car to get the boot lid closed?
Well, typically you won't have room for everything. Let's be honest about it. You know, you've beach equipment, you've got kids' buggies, you have golf clubs, everything you want to bring on holiday. So you need the extra room. And indeed, if you're going to France, you might want to bring some bottles of wine back, that type of thing. So it's the extra space is very handy to have.
Yeah, I believe the odd person brings back the odd bottle of wine.
Bottle, exactly, yeah.
It's a truck some people require. All right, let's move on, because I like the look of this. This is fantastic for anyone who's got a couple of bikes they want to bring away on a trip.
Yeah, well, it's either this or the other options to put the bikes on the roof. Okay. This actually sits on your tow bar. It's very simple. Just lock it down, push it into it. But the beauty about this, it fits on 3 bikes. So 3 bikes attach onto it, and there's a 4th bike adapter. You can put 4 bikes, so two adult or 2 kids bikes.
Super.
But the best thing about this product is actually to get to the boot, you simply just slide it forward.
Ah, okay.
So the bikes can stay attached, and you can open the boot, and you can do what you have to do. Right. And then when you're finished, you literally just lock it back in place.
That's an incredible idea.
Exactly. And then you can just plug it into the electrics, and you put your tow bar in front, so your indicator, your rear lamps, your stop lamps all work as well.
Everything's fine, easy enough. And again, because of the amount of work that's in it and just how convenient it is, what price?
Again, it's $427.50.
$427.50, okay. And of course, we have a lock here as well, which makes sure the bikes are all locked.
Locks, exactly. So, but again, if you've got 4 bikes or 3 bikes to take away, it is actually more practical than putting them all on the roof, and it works out cheaper as well.
Well, it's superb, and the little idea being able to push back.
Push back as well to get access to the boot. Otherwise, you have to take off all the bikes.
Oh, yeah. I always find when we're packed, somebody always says, "I need this," and it's in that case, and it's over there. You know, it's
exactly.
like
inevitably you have to get to something, you know.
All right, some of the products here on the table then would suit kayaking maybe and bigger equipment to be transported.
We've got water sport leisure equipment. You want to go kayaking, surfing, canoeing, etc. You need something like this. So basically, again, the roof bars form the base, and you put on a kayak holder or a surfboard holder, that type of thing. They're very, very easy to attach, if I can show you here.
Of course, and I mean, look at the size, look how high up the bike is.
So we have a surfboard here, it basically sits on it, and to keep the board off the bars, because obviously damage against the metal, you simply just push the unit into it, you lock it, twist it down, put the bracket in there, and then you just, oh God, well, the theory is you actually pull it into place, and it just literally locks down and enters. Simple as that.
Simple as that. I like the look of the bike. The bike looks splendid up there. Yeah. Anything to watch out for with the bike at that height when you're driving along? Obviously, it'll fit under most low bridges, because I think they're around.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. And check as well with the ferry company to make sure that you actually have the height you have the height allowable to bring it on board as well. So, and that you have to do that before you go to France, that type of thing as well. And of course, once you put all this equipment together, my recommendation is once you get home or after the first 20, 30 miles, get out and just check it all again.
All right, okay.
Just first and foremost.
Yeah, where's the bikes gone, Dad? Oh, I don't know. They're on the Cork Road or something. Yeah,
exactly.
And again, this sort of equipment, what does it cost again?
Well, the surfboard holder is $82.50, and $82.50. It actually fits 2 boards, and the bike carried in is $104.50. And again, the bars then just start at $119.
All right, fantastic stuff. So again, not just for anyone who might be going to France or, you know, far overseas, handy on a trip around the country as well.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, if you're going surfing to Ischia or going on to Lahinch, and you want to bring your bikes or your water sport equipment, it's terrific to have with you, you know.
All right, Kieran, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much. Check out the website, by the way, mixgarage.ie. You'll see more of these products and everything else in their range. Now, let's go back inside the studio.